You will be quizzed on APA leveled headings. When writing papers, it is customary to have a heading for various sections of your paper. Leveled headings are used as tools to organize a paper into sections. Within each section, writing is streamlined to discuss the topic of the section. Take a look at the headings of the sample paper, which focuses on the topic 3 styles of leadership. Notice that there are 5 distinct sections. They are Introduction, Transformational Leadership, Servant Leadership, Transactional Leadership, and Summary. Within each section, the author can write multiple paragraphs to discuss the topic of the section. Take a look at the headings of a longer and more sophisticated paper on 3 styles of leadership. Notice that 3 of the 5 sections now have subtopics. For the topics Transformational Leadership, Servant Leadership, and Transactional Leadership, subtopics of corporations and law enforcement were added. Now let's take a look at APA 7 leveled heading rules. Notice that APA has specific rules on how to format each leveled heading. If the heading is level 1, that heading must be bold and centered. If the heading is level 2, that heading must be bold and flush left. If the heading is level 3, it must be bold, flush left, and italic. And if the heading is level 4, it must be indented, bold, and ends with a period. It is important to note that for level 4 headings, the paragraph starts immediately after the period and not on the next line. In your papers, you will rarely go beyond level 3 headings. However, a more comprehensive review of literature for a dissertation may require the depth of a level 4 heading on some topics. Going back to the example of leveled headings on a more sophisticated paper on 3 styles of leadership, notice that the headings are now formatted based on APA leveled heading rules. Notice that level 1 headings are centered and bold, and level 2 headings are bold and flush left. Now let's take this example one step further and explore what level 3 headings and level 4 headings look like. Notice that under the level 2 heading, Transformational Leadership in Corporations, there is now a level 3 and level 4 heading. The level 3 heading is bold, flush left, and italic. The level 4 heading is indented, bold, and ends in a period. Using leveled headings has 2 distinct purposes. First, leveled headings provide a common set of rules for organizing your paper. This is important because these rules are consistent from one author to another and is the cornerstone of writing amongst academics. Next, using level 2, 3, and 4 headings give your paper depth, whereas a paper with all level 1 headings is linear. Now you will be taking a quiz on APA leveled headings.